You've just landed at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport, but how do you get to your hotel from the airport? When you exit via one of the 4 arrival halls, you need to follow the signs that direct you to the app pickup point, shuttles and coaches. These are marked overhead on yellow signs. The walk from the arrivals gate to the pickup point is roughly 5 minutes, but don't worry, you don't have to go as fast as this video. When you reach the main foyer area, you need to head towards the large glass windows and main doors, following the signs that say buses. If you haven't pre-booked a pickup via an app such as Bolt or Uber, it is possible to take a regular taxi, but you must take care when doing so. Only take a car from the official taxi stand. Do not get into a car that is unregulated or does not have a meter. In the Netherlands, taxis have blue number plates and often, but not always, have signs on the roof. There is a notice at the official taxi stand indicating the prices for popular journeys. If you are charged more than these prices, you have likely been ripped off or scammed, so please take care. This is why we suggest pre-booking your vehicle, as you are told up front what the price is. If you have pre-booked a car, continue walking to the left of the official taxi stand towards the app pickup point. Close to the pickup point is a toilet, which is very useful if you're going to be waiting some time for your vehicle. When you book a car, it is allocated a pickup point, which will be from E1 to E6, and you are also sent the registration number of your vehicle. Simply find your meeting point and wait for your vehicle to arrive.